killed babies in Palestine? Slaughtered babies? Terrorists! Terrorists! Fuck Israel! Fuck Israel! We don't want you here, terrorists! Disgusting! You have... They're baby killers.
You don't need to harass
They
people.
are baby
You
killers!
don't know anything about him.
Yes, I do. They're fucking Israelis.
You need to quit harassing him, okay?
Shut the fuck up. Shut the Spider-Man.
هر وقت آتش بس ندهید من 20 روزه پیش اینجا بودم